Good morning, Mary Regan with Wayside Kitchens, and this morning I'm with Jim, and we are in Groton, Massachusetts, where we are going to take a look at what happened last week and also let you know what we're doing this coming week right here in this amazing kitchen transformation. So why don't you come along with us and let's go in and take a look. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me.
This is as good a day as any.
We keep thinking spring is here. Well, hello, house. Last week, they made this place weather tight. They put in all the insulation. Wow. And took out the wall, not the wall, the slider between the kitchen and the beautiful sunroom that we're creating. So this is because we're showing the building inspector who's coming on Monday. This is ready for rough inspection tomorrow or
So we should get the
rough inspection on
rough
Monday.
inspection, the insulation, and the fire blocking.
Yes, I think
signed
the
off.
inspector said that he's going to look at all of it at the same time, which then means we can put the insulation down in the floor and then put the subfloor up, and then we'll be ready for patching the walls, and then we move on to the wood floors, which the goal is to do the floors the week of March 31st. I think we're going to go over the ceiling with board.
Yep.
So that the ceiling is smooth rather than with the heavy texture that it has right now. A little more demo, taking up the carpet in the family room.
Was it decided to keep this floor
Yes,
in here?
yes.
Okay.
Wood floor in the kitchen, sunroom, foyer, and then into this room, there's going to be wood floors as well. So now the whole downstairs will have wood flooring in.
This really is a great room.
I know. Look at the nice tall
Hence the
ceilings.
name,
Of
great room.
course. It is beautiful. I haven't noticed that fan up there. I think we need a new fan. I'm going to have to tell the homeowners. We can't update this house and keep that fan.
Well,
What
I
do you
know.
guys think, huh? Shall
I know
we?
you love the drapes.
Those are all coming down. So we're going to be painting all these rooms.
This is a huge transformation.
Oh, yeah, yeah. No, this is definitely big. And, now that room with the just the insulation, it really feels like
Oh, it's so much warmer.
warm already and, acclimated with the rest of the house. It really becomes part of it. So I think that's a great idea. It was a room that was never used because usually what happens with sunrooms is that they are comfortable for a very short season, like a few months out of the year. So it's a room that becomes a catch-all, too hot in the summer or too cold in the winter. So it's definitely an improvement to turn it into a living space like this one is becoming. So this is.
So what did we decide for a heating and air
I
conditioning?
think they're looking into. I
A
got the
floor
quote.
unit?
Yeah. So it'll be a floor unit installed right over here, a mini split, and it will have its own zone, but it's going to keep this area comfortable with the air conditioning and heating of the rest of the house. So I think it's really the way to go. Instead of doing electric heat or something not as efficient as a mini split. So, and it's by itself, and we can put the condenser back here, right where the air conditioning for the house is. So it would just go attach right to the foundation. Mike told me this is really an easy install. So that's what we highly recommend the homeowners do. I'm sure this is what's going to
Yeah,
happen.
we went back and forth about what the best way
Yeah,
to do
but
that.
this is all good. This is not a bouncy floor. This is like not a lot of squeaks either. So this is really ready for floor installation. But if there are any squeaks, my flooring contractor, he is awesome. And if there's anything, he'll take care of it before
Oh, yeah.
before they do the wood floor. So there's no concerns about that. All right, so Jim and I are ready to sign off for now. Come again next time as we will have another update for this amazing kitchen transformation. I'm Mary Regan,
And I'm Jim Regan.
signing off for now. Bye.
This is as good a day as any.